What's happening, guys? It's Jay coming at you from the Hooch, and I have a quick gear review for you on the Crossfire Hot Tamales. These are essentially, they were originally created as an IFAK insert, but as folks have been using them, they've really discovered that they have a multitude of uses when it comes to gear storage, organization, using them as general purpose pouches, things like that, right? So, essentially the way that they're designed to fit in any of the DZ Rig pouches. So here we have one of the magazine pouches on the DZ Rig, and you can see how nice and easily that just fit right in there and how easily it pulled right out. So open it up, pull it out, get out of it what you need, pop it back in, close it up, and away you go, right? No worse for wear. Pretty basic, pretty simple. So that's the way that they are sized. Now, when you go to put them in, so I have found that one fits perfectly in that, creating basically a general purpose pouch, right? So now when you move it around to the water bottle pockets that are on the back side, so these guys here, so if we take the water bottle out of that pouch, take the cup out of there as well and the lid. So if you go to utilize now, you can put two pouches in there with no issues whatsoever. So now you can utilize that as a larger general purpose pouch, or kind of tailor it to whatever your needs might be, right? Those two fit in there just fine. You could probably squeeze a third one in there if you really wanted to. Maybe you're squeezing a brew kit in there and something else, but that'll fit in there real nice and simple. In the back, in the butt pack itself, that is on this. Let's scoot this around for you. So when you take it around to the butt pack, now on the DZ Rig, the large, extra large DZ Rig has a larger butt pack pouch. The small medium has just the size of that center pouch is the same as your water bottle pouches. But in this, you put 1, 2, 3. I think you guys are getting the idea here for just how much you can load up in this. 4, right? And you could even, if you wanted to, pop a 5th one in there to put on over the top and then secure that up. You have a ton of space as far as organizational purposes go to be able to utilize that for that. But let's go ahead and take an overhead view of how the pouch itself actually is designed to work and what you can use it for. All right, guys, so kind of the nuts and bolts of the way that the pouch itself is designed to be utilized. So it's called a tamale, called a hot tamale. You get 3 to a package. So you get when you order these, you get 3 of them. I want to say it's, as of right now, it's $44 for 3 of them, which is pretty stinking good. You have your tamale pouch, right? So it is literally designed like a wrap. As you can see there, that opens right up, right? You can open and close it 2 ways. So if you want, you can do the top and bottom first and then do your sides, right? Plenty of Velcro there, so you can definitely, thicker, thinner, whatever it might be. So that's how you can set it up that way. Or you can open and close it side to side first and then top to bottom. Really, whatever your personal preference is. So now if you need to, the first thing folks ask is, well, your items aren't very secure. When you open it up, everything's going to fall out. Not necessarily, because if you know how you pack things, you open it up, it's a pouch, you pull out what you might need out of it, close it back up, and away you go. So that's from the top down. Now, the way that I have found through using them, that I prefer to use them, is I prefer to keep it wrapped like that. So when I go to open it up, I can just open it up this way like an envelope and pull out of it what I might need to get out of it. So if I just need my headlamp out of there, I can easily pull that out. So let me show you real quick how I have all my different ones set up. So I ended up getting 2 packages of hot tamales. I bought 6 because the way that I really wanted to organize all my kit. So I kind of have like a general purpose pouch that I treat this one as. Keep my headlamp in there, keep my camo cream in there. I keep some spare water purification tablets in there. keep some spare cordage in there or bank line, and I keep some tape in there, right? So this is stuff that I would just want easy access to. So that's the way that I have this specific one all set up for my use. So we have that, right? Let's close that all up. Boom. Boom, boom. Easy peasy, right? So there's one. Let's go into the next one. Here I kind of have my water purification pouch. So this lives in my butt pack. So this here I have a Sawyer Mini. I have a 2-liter gravity fed bag that I can use this to scoop up dirty water with, and then I can hang that in camp or hang it off of my pack, screw your Mini to it, and then let gravity do its thing. I'm set up with a cord on it so I can hang it from a tree branch or hang it from the pack, what have you. And then I have, of course, extra water purification tablets. So all of that then lives inside of this specific pouch. But you can see, once again, wrap that up, boom, boom, way to go, right? So there we have for water. Now we have my brew kits. So here I have my emergency stove, one of the Esbit stoves. I have extra fuel tabs in there, and I have a lighter in there and a folding spoon. And then I have all kinds of just instant coffees, different electrolyte mixes, that kind of stuff. So all that is kept right inside that pouch there. That lives in my butt pack as well on the DZ rig. So we've got that. Let's keep going here. Next, we've got a small signaling kit. So I have 2 chem lights in there. I have a green one and a red one. The red one is set up already pre-rigged as a buzzsaw. I keep a signaling mirror in there. I keep a whistle in there. And then I keep a small fire kit in there as well. Inside that fire kit, I have a lighter. I have lifeboat matches. I have a ferro rod, a striker, some tinder or fire starters, and then a candle as well. So all of that is kept inside of here. Real nice and simple like. And that lives in my butt pack as well. So we've got that, right? Let's keep going. I have a firearm cleaning kit in another one. This lives in the butt pack. So I have in there some gun oil. I have a collapsible brush. I have a bore snake. I have a case extracting tool. I have some oil wipes, and then I keep a small rag in there as well. So once again, all that is nice and organized, easy to keep track of, easy for storage, all that good stuff. So once again, all that stores up real nice in there. And last but not least, we have what the Hot Tamale was originally designed for, and that was as an IFAK insert. So I keep my IFAK very, very basic. I keep a chem light in there. I keep a pressure bandage. I have a Schlissman wrap. I have a thing of compressed gauze, and I have a pair of trauma shears in there. So once again, I keep mine very, very basic, very simple, and that is your IFAK insert. And that IFAK insert, once again, that can go in any of the magazine pouches that you have on your DZ rig or any other kit for that matter, and away you go. So anyways, guys, that is the Hot Tamale from Crossfire. So I can highly recommend these guys. I've been using them in the field already. I haven't had them for very long, but I've already implemented it into the way that I set up my rig. And the proof is in the pudding. Already being out in the field a few times with them definitely makes life a whole lot simpler as far as keeping things organized, how you place things, how you have access to stuff, all of those good things. So you guys have questions, comments, concerns, put them down in the comment section below. You guys know how all that works. But otherwise, yeah, keep getting out there, keep training. We'll chat with you soon. Later.